a 10-centimetre high balancing act. These high heels are the creations of Swedish designer Naim Yosefi. He calls them Melonia. There is something very unusual about these shoes, apart from the way they look. They are made from polyamide and have come straight from the printer.
I haven't any idea about the 3D printing, and then I wanna actually illustrate that problem and find a way to make that organic shape. And then I found the new technology, the 3D printing. The 3D printing is very high technology that you can make the new shapes.
The designer, who's originally from Iran, believes that 3D technology is the future of shoe production. First, the shoe is digitally drafted. The design is then optimized by 3D printing specialist Mikael Eriksson. Special software transforms the model into impulses that control the printer. The shoe is created on a platform that slowly moves down layer by layer. The process isn't very different from that of a regular printer, but instead of ink, it uses liquid plastic, which is then hardened with a UV laser.
Yeah.
Okay.
It builds one layer, and it's a very thin layer.
Yeah.
So it's
like a paper, like a.
Yeah, it's thinner actually. So it's 16 microns.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's 16,000th of a millimetre, which explains why the printing process takes up to 40 hours. Producing a single shoe costs around 1,500 euros.
Perhaps in a future, anyone could come with a shoe that we print out. I think the technique and the machines are quite expensive today, so we have to develop the machines towards a faster way to print these models. This is quite thick.
The shoe is printed in a soft protective synthetic casing, which has to be removed. Naim Yosefi's original design is starting to emerge as a strong, durable polyamide shoe. The material makes a shoe you can wear, though it does take some getting used to.
Actually, these shoes need to develop, of course. I want to put some different material together, and softer material inside and the harder material in the outside. But the technology is not so fitable just now.
A growing number of fashion designers are experimenting with 3D printers. Here's some designs by Janina Alain from Britain and Marla Merchant. Iris van Herpen from the Netherlands showcased her designs at the Paris Haute Couture show in July. She created the collection together with designer Rem Koolhaas.
When I design, I think 3D. I even don't like to sketch because sketching is two-dimensional. Everything in my head is three-dimensional. So for me, it's like a very logical step to work with 3D printing.
This was the first time that we did that. It's really because the technology has moved so rapidly that we were now willing to go for that.
Back to Stockholm, Naim Yosefi's Melonia has made it to museums, including the renowned Victoria and Albert Museum in London. The model who wore the shoes is quite taken by them.
They actually are really comfortable. They fit the foot perfect, and they're really unique, and that's why I love them. They actually are nice.
Naim Yosefi is currently working on a new 3D printed model. At the moment, his shoes cost thousands of euros, but he expects prices to fall in the future.
I'm working in an idea to bring that to the customer, that you can take it, you can buy it or use it, that kind of design in easier. When you can come to my shop, to my store, and scan your body and order your shoes or your accessories very easily.
Who knows, in just a few years we may be adding our very own self-printed shoes to our shopboard collection.